Prepmymeal review. Pricing explained: what you get for your money. Prepmymeal is a meal prep delivery service, but most people get this wrong. They think it's just another meal kit subscription. The surprising truth is that Prepmymeal focuses on fully prepared, customizable meals tailored for fitness, weight management, or busy lifestyles. Pricing starts around $2 per meal, depending on the plan and number of meals per week. You won't believe what's included: freshly prepared, fully cooked meals delivered to your door, nutritional information, and options for special diets like keto, vegan, or high protein. Some plans also include weekly meal rotation for variety. Most people get this wrong by assuming cheaper meal kits save money. With Prepmymeal, you save time, reduce waste, and avoid cooking stress, which makes the slightly higher cost worthwhile. In conclusion, Prepmymeal pricing reflects convenience, quality ingredients, and customization. By understanding meal costs, subscription options, and dietary flexibility, you go from zero to pro in deciding whether the service aligns with your lifestyle and nutrition goals.